Hello, my name is Robert Geller, and I'm an attorney in the Tampa Bay area. I've been helping families with personal injury matters for over 32 years. And today I want to talk to you briefly about what can be done if you suffer injuries or if you lose a family member from a medical mistake. Before I do that, I want to let you know that if you have ever been involved in a personal injury case recently, or if you have a family member that needs representation about a family member, this is going to be the death knell.
Don't worry, don't be afraid, man.
All right, let's start again. Hello, my name is Robert Geller. I'm an attorney in the Tampa Bay area. I've been helping families with personal injury matters for 32 years. And today I want to talk to you about what can be done if you suffer injuries from a medical mistake or if you lose a loved one from a medical mistake. Before I do that, I want to take a moment and tell you that if you're involved in any kind of accident, personal injury, dog bite, anything at all, motor vehicle accident, hope that you would reach out to our office, contact us. We'd be glad to give you a free consultation and talk to you about your case. So let's get back to what can be done if you do suffer injuries from a medical mistake. There is a statistic out there that says that about 10% of the deaths in our country are caused by a medical mistake. And what type of medical mistakes are we talking about? We're talking about a misdiagnosis of a major medical problem. We're talking about improper prescription of medical treatment. We're talking about improper administration of medical treatment. We're talking about surgical errors. Those are some of the examples of things that occur that cause catastrophic injuries or even death that you can bring a claim for. So what is generally the process for bringing this type of claim? First of all, I would encourage you that you definitely need to reach out to a competent attorney who's experienced in handling these matters. They're very difficult, they're very expensive, but one of the first steps in this type of case is that you must provide the person that you're bringing the claim against, the medical provider, with a written notice of your intent to bring a claim. You have to give them 90 days notice, and attached to that notice you must provide an expert affidavit who supports your case, that says that they believe that a medical mistake was made, and then the medical provider has 90 days to respond to that. After that period of time, you can bring a lawsuit or a claim against the medical provider for your injuries. Another very important thing about bringing this type of claim is there's a relatively short statute of limitations. It's 2 years from the time you knew or should have known about the medical mistake to bring the claim. So it's a very short period of time. Another reason why you need to reach out to your attorney. A couple of things that you should do to help enhance the value of your case is obviously keeping your records, keeping notes, keeping your attorney informed about the case, about everything you know. Just keep good notes, keep a good file. These cases are handled on a contingency fee basis, which means that generally you do not have to pay your attorney unless you make a recovery. That's generally how the legal fees are handled for this type of case. So if you're ever a victim of a serious medical mistake, or you ever lose a family member as a result of a serious medical mistake, please feel free to reach out to our law firm. Thank you.